Yo, what is going on everyone, and welcome back to another video here on the channel and the first vlog of the 2022 season. Now it is my first time, however, these three have already been.
Yes.
Today we are joined by Ruin, Maze and Moth over at the end. So we got a full house for the, well, my first time of the 2022 season, but the first vlog of the 2022 season. So changes, we've just walked past CBeebies Land then, and they've got a brand new entrance. Also as well, the retro squad has returned. Funk and Fly and Roller Disco are the same as last year. However, Mixtape has been replaced by the new ride Spinjam, which is an extreme ride, so definitely have to check that out later on. Quite a lot of closures actually this morning. We was looking, weren't we? And I think there's only like
Rita, Oblivion's open, and Spinjam. I think they're the only three roller coasters that are open this morning.
So we was going to head to the Smiler first because I've not been on that for, well, since it closed at the start of October. But it is closed, so I think we're going to head to Oblivion first, aren't we?
Oh yes, yeah.
For my first ride of the 2022 season.
Yeah, my first ride of the 2022 season was Rita.
And mine was Wicker Man.
What was yours, Moth? What was his?
Oh, his was Oblivion as well.
Oh, Oblivion.
So, yeah, you got
Fair enough.
Same.
Right, so we'll head over to the X sector, get on Oblivion, and he'll see you over there. Sounds good to hear that Smiler music in the X sector, doesn't it?
Oh, it does.
Especially when the Smiler's actually open.
Sounds nice and loud today.
People are queuing, so it should be open soon. Oblivion's well, it's a 30-minute wait for Oblivion.
Yeah, that is what it's
Spinjam's over there, we'll check that out in a minute. But I guess we'll go on off first, and then we'll get the Smiler after. It should be open by then.
Yeah, unless it's got a really long queue, and then we might have to reassess the situation.
Reassess, but we'll see. First up, Brave
Oh yeah, you got to do
for the
the
2022 season. Moth, we've got some from you. No, well, Ruin's not doing it either.
No, but you got to love a bit of op-rave.
You have.
Actually, I kind of did do a little bit of an op-rave when I come, but that is the first proper op-rave.
First proper.
I came and it was on, and I thought, I'm not doing this. Even with these or without them, I'm not doing it.
I'm not doing this. You gotta do it. Gotta get that Obrave in.
You just absolutely have to.
Yeah. Let's get on Oblivion. So we come off Ob, went to see what the Smiler was on. Said it was still reading 45 minutes, but literally the whole queue was full. Even on like the outside bit, as you come into the X sector, that were completely filled as well. So decided not to do that. However, Nemesis is on 5 minutes,
Yeah.
so we thought we'd head through the gardens over to Forbidden Valley. Like I say though, there is 4 coasters closed, so that's why there is a bit of a queue for the coasters at the moment. There's also a lot of schools here today, so that probably might not help, but I suppose the main thing is like the 4 coasters aren't open, so
Yeah,
that's why there's
hopefully,
queues.
probably a lot of people will be on the Smiler now, and it should go quite late when everything else opens up.
Yeah, I mean we're hoping everything's going to open up.
Yeah, because it's Myth's first visit of the season. He's got to get on every ride.
Got to. But yeah, still 4 closed, but we'll go over to Forbidden Valley, get on Nemesis, and then see what Galactica's on as well. Then probably get Smiler last, won't we now?
Yeah,
Should be going down by then.
Yeah, either there or the Wicker Man, depending on the queue times.
Definitely a fresh day though today. It's been literally warm, hasn't it, all week, and then the day we come here, it was like 1 or 2 degrees when we first arrived. It's gone to like 4 now, but
We are wrapped.
that might be why the coasters aren't open. But yeah, like I say, we don't know. So we'll head over to Nemesis, and get some shots over there for you. Great to get back on Nemesis. As you all know, Nemesis is closing next season for its full retrack, so we've got to make the most of it, haven't we, this season?
We do, yeah. It's not going to be much longer. It's going to be like the original track and everything. So yeah, it's good just to get on it.
And to hear that roar, because that is also probably going to be a bit muted when they replace all the supports.
Yeah.
Because obviously the new supports are filled with sand, so. But yeah, looking forward to actually seeing what it looks like when it's all done. But yeah, definitely going to make the most of it this season. So we're going to head on Galactica now. It's 30 minutes, it's looking like.
Yeah.
So
Doesn't look too bad.
yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Yeah, 30 minutes it's reading at the entrance. So we'll get on it and then we can close off Forbidden Valley then. So we'll get some off-road shots.
Maybe go for a spot of lunch after.
Yeah, probably we'll head to the Burger Kitchen after this. So let's get on Galactica. Finished up on Galactica and now we're heading for food. Heading to the Burger Kitchen as always, but most of the rides have opened now. Wicker Man opened and Rita, was it, what were closed?
Galactica opened up.
Yeah, Galactica opened up.
Came off Nemesis. 13 was it? I don't know if 13's
Yeah, I
still
think that
closed.
might be still closed, but yeah, I think that's all what's closed now. So be able to get on the Wicker Man after we've had some food, probably. Smile is still the longest in the park at 50 minutes. So, like I say, we'll probably get that last. Only got till 4 today. It has been open till 6, I believe, at the weekend. But with it being a weekday, it's only till 4. So we'll head over to the Burger Kitchen, get some food, and we'll see you all over there. Food acquired. What I mean by food is we've got a barbecue American deluxe meal with a side of 3 mozzarella sticks. We've got some barbecue sauce lined up in case we need any more. And I've got a Fanta, what we've got over here, Bruin.
Barbecue American deluxe meal, chips, some nuggets, and a large fat.
Moth, what have we got over here?
A large crispy chicken fillet meal with mozzarella sticks and Fanta.
And Maze, what have we got over here?
I actually have a regular crisp chicken fillets meal I've got some mozzarella sticks and I have my Fanta in here, my bottomless Fanta.
Bottomless Fanta and see
My barbecue sauce
quite a
as
stash
well.
of sauce there.
Oh yeah.
So we got on Rita straight after food because it was only reading a 15-minute queue. As you can see by the clips as well, the front of the entrance of Rita has been redone. So they did that in a closed season. So that was nice to see.
They've done quite a bit in the close season actually.
Yeah.
So I've noticed a few things here and there. I was like I noticed the Sabiri's Land one, and I was like, that's actually quite nice.
Yeah, I'll have to show you that on the way out, but Smiler's gone down to 20 minutes now, so seems like a pretty good opportunity to get on it, considering like the Wicker Man now is 35 minutes, so Wicker Man is now the longest queue in the park. So we'll get on the Smiler now, might as well, while it's 20, and then finish off today on the Wicker Man, I'd say.
Hopefully we get the front row seats though, because there's nothing better than a front row seat on the Smiler.
Yeah, it's not. Nothing better. great to get back on the Smiler. As you can see, I put in some footage of the correction block and all the projectors are back on, so looking really good now, isn't it, with all of them back on. They've not been on for a while.
It's been a while, so it does look pretty decent in there, to be honest, because it looks a bit plain when you go through it. There's nothing on, but yeah. So it's good that the projectors are on.
Yeah, but it's well, that's my first ride since like it closed in October, so it's been quite a few months. So it was very good to get back on. However, we are coming on Spinjam now, and last year it was sort of the opposite way round, like the queue. But now we're having to walk this way, aren't we?
Yeah, I think.
Like the arrows on the floor are like pointing in the opposite way.
I think it's because the ride makes you feel very dizzy. With all the spinning, so they're just trying to make you feel even weirder coming up the wrong way, but it's right.
Yeah, but it's if nobody come last year, then all the arrows are pointing the other way, so people will be wondering, what's going off. But we are going to get on the Spinjam, which is an extreme ride. It's going to be good. Apparently one of the best retro squad rides. Just come off Spinjam, first time on it, really good actually. I don't know if it's, would you say it was one of the best? Would you say it was better than Mixtape?
No, to be honest, I think I prefer Mixtape.
Did do a lot of spinning.
Purely because that just makes you feel a bit dizzy and a bit weird. Because, well, when you first go on, I think it starts off a bit slow, and then it kind of gets like a lot quicker towards the end. Yeah, it does seem to, you do seem to get quite a decent ride on it. But
yeah, it's quite a long circuit, so that's good in a way, because if you are obviously queuing quite a while, then you do need a bit of a longer circuit, but we got straight on it, didn't we?
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's, like you said before, we have been on an extreme ride before, it's Southport Pleasureland.
Yeah.
So we didn't sort of know what was expecting. Well, it seemed, I don't know, it seemed to spin a bit more then.
Yeah, at Southport Pleasureland, I think it was on a bit of a different circuit, because it did seem to spin a bit faster, so get a bit more kick to the ride. But
yeah. Well, yeah, definitely probably save that one till last. Probably won't recommend it as a first ride as soon as you come in the park, because it does make you feel a bit dizzy, but however, we are going to head to the Wicker Man outlet for the last ride.
Yeah, you got to either end it on the Smile or the Wicker Man. Today we chose the Wicker Man.
So we'll get over to the Wicker Man, get some shots over there, and then we'll review the day right at the end. We just finished off on the Wicker Man, and as you can see, the weather's taken a turn. Wow. It was sunny when we went on it, and now look at it, it's proper like heavy snowing. But it's been like this all day, hasn't it? Like sort of on and off snow, as you can probably see from some of the clips. As always, it was nice to get back on the Wicker Man again this season. As you can probably see as well by on the actual statue of it, which you pass through, they put some new effects on, some new fire effects. So just sort of refreshed quite a bit of things, refreshed quite a lot actually this season. And I'm trying to speak, but just getting all snow in my face. But overall, it's been a good day, hasn't it? Managed to get on quite a lot. It's not been too busy, so all in all, been really good. So as always, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next vlog.